Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. The nail art I'm sharing with you guys for today is one of the characters of Disney's Frozen 2, and it's Olaf. Okay, so for the trees, I'm using this pattern. And as for the leaves, I'm using red, yellow, and rose gold for the colors. And I did this kind of design on all of my nails except for my middle nail. And as for my middle nail, I'm painting Olaf. And for all of the detailed painting, I'm using an acrylic paint and a nail art brush. I'm so sorry as I had a difficult time in filming with this one. And that's why I didn't got to film every detail of it. And after all of that, I'm applying top coat. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!